Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to fix Shopee promotion cannot be redeemed. So if you are facing this error here and you cannot use the promotion, so I will tell you a few tricks and few steps to solve this issue. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have wrote this down in my notes here. So these are the steps. You have to first clear the cache of the app. I will show you how you can do all of these steps. Second is to choose the recommended shipping service, which is mostly the Shopee Express. So choose their service for shipping. Third, try to restart your device. And fourth is to update the app, or you can just uninstall the app altogether, reinstall it, and update the new and use the new version. And the last option is to contact support. So you can contact the support and tell them that it's not working, and I will show you all of the steps. So first is to clear cache. You have to click on your app, go to app info, then go to storage, click on clear data, click on clear cache. Once you clear the cache, try to check again if it's working. If it's not, simply choose their recommended shipping service. So let's say I'm buying this one, and then when you go to the shipping service, so when you go to the shipping option, you can use their recommended service. So I cannot see it right now, but you can see it when you go to shipping option. You can use the ones recommended by Shopee. So choose them. And the third step is to restart your device. So you can just do that by holding it like this and then just click on restart. And the fourth step is to update the app, which you can just uninstall or reinstall, or you can just altogether go to the app store and update it. And the last step is to go to the support, click on your icon here, go to the help center, or you can just chat with Shopee. This is a much easier option. So tell them that promotion cannot be redeemed, and then they will give you hopefully so that's how you can do that. You can also just email them and tell that you're facing that error, and they will solve it for you. So that's how you can do it. So those are the steps. That's it for today, guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.